Now, today I am here to tell you about the use of AI tools in the teaching of English language. AI tools are playing a very important role and helping teachers as well as students in learning new things, in gathering information within a few minutes and seconds. English language teaching and learning processes have been made easy with the help of AI tools. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence refers to the machine that stimulate human intelligence such as learning, reasoning and problem solving. In education, AI enables smarter and more adaptive learning. We are able to find out new ways and means of learning language and other subjects with the help of AI. It helps us in dividing the complex topics into parts so that it becomes easy for us to understand, read, write, and is proving a big win for our society. Meaning of AI tools in education. AI tools are digital platforms that analyze students' behavior. For example, the language labs installed at Sainik School Chittorgarh, that is the Wordsworth Language Lab, is also one of the AI tools that our school has been using for the last 4 years. This tool helps in identifying the learning gaps and provide customized feedbacks. We are able to know the minutest detail of each and every cadet, in which area he is performing well and where he needs motivation and support to do well. So the use of AI tools has enhanced both teaching efficiency and learning outcomes. Need of AI tools in language learning. English classroom faces challenges like diverse proficiency levels. There are many large size classrooms and limited individual attention. AI helps bridge these gaps effectively. For example, we have a problem of teaching passages in a class, especially which carries at least 20 marks. But with the help of AI, we are able to generate passages in the class at the click of a button, so that now we can give students an opportunity to go through the passage. It involves both his reading, writing skills, so that in front of us he is able to identify the answers and we know practically where he needs care and due attention. AI for vocabulary development. AI tools introduce words based on learner level and content. They provide pronunciation, synonym, usage, examples, and spaced repetition for long-term retention. They are also helpful in teaching students how to read, at what pace to read, what sentences to emphasize on, where to make their voice higher and where to lower down, and where to be a bit slow, and where to give pauses and full stops. So these things are practically applicable to all. The students are able to see all these things with the help of their own eyes. AI for grammar learning. AI identifies grammatical errors in real time. It explains rules related to tense, voice and articles and sentence structure, promoting self-correction. These tools are basically helpful for students from our schools because most of them come from rural background where they don't have trained teachers during the vacations to look after them. So with the help of AI and other sources, they are able to make up for the absence of the teachers. AI assists learners in essay writing, letter writing and creative writing by improving clarity, coherence and logical flow of ideas. They give us new ideas. With the help of prompt engineering, we can get n number of ideas which strikes our mind when we go through the AI given ideas. So these are also helping the creativity of the students and giving them an opportunity to express themselves at their will. AI for speaking skills. There are many tools available in the market that helps to improve the speech, our pronunciation, our fluency, our stress and intonation part. Learners can practice speaking without hesitation. AI for listening skills. As we all know that AI has become, or this assessment of speaking and learning skill has become an important part of our curriculum from 6th onward to class 12th. So with the help of AI, we are able to design, as teachers, we are able to design speaking and listening skill exercises, and automatic transcription helps learner compare the spoken and written forms of English also. So AI is playing a big role. AI for reading comprehension. AI adjusts reading material to students' proficiency levels. It generates, summarizes, comprehensions, questions and vocabulary explanations. Role of teachers in AI-based classroom. Teachers remain central to the learning process. They guide, motivate, evaluate and ensure ethical use of AI tools in education. Advantages of AI tools in English teaching. Personalized learning, immediate feedback, increased students' engagement, reduces teachers' workload. Limitation and challenges of AI. Lack of emotional intelligence, over-dependence on technology, digital device, data privacy concerns. Future of AI in English language teaching. AI will support blended learning environments. Human creativity combined with AI efficiency will define future classroom. To conclude, AI tools significantly enhance English language teaching. Balanced integration of AI and teachers ensure effective and meaningful learning.